Welcome to our new non-conventional foreclosure defense online course entitled Wrongful Foreclosure Lawsuit DIY. Do it yourself. My name is Coach Neighbors, and I've been through what you're facing. And unfortunately, I was not able to protect my family due to the misconduct on behalf of the attorneys and other officers of the court. I was traumatized. So I began learning the loopholes in the attorney's processes and procedures and figuring out how to use those loopholes to challenge the court's jurisdiction. Because we're challenging the court's jurisdiction is the reason why we don't spend a lot of time going over all the nuts and bolts that happened in your case starting back from 15 years ago. In this course, you will learn how to add the person who signed to start the foreclosure against your property to your lawsuit as number one defendant and their law firm as the second defendant and the last servicer. We only add those three people because we want to make sure that that third-party debt collector has to protect the source where he got his illegal debt that he's collecting on. Do you know who signed the document that started the foreclosure against your property? You could go and check, but I'm quite sure it was the attorney because the bank never signs anything. And in a non-judicial foreclosure, the fact that there's no witness is a huge problem that robs the court of jurisdiction. It's a huge loophole. The attorney is foreclosing, acting as a third-party debt collector, and he is collecting on behalf of his or her law firm, not the alleged lender. I'm an expert at finding loopholes in their processes and procedures where they violate the law and their own rules, and we address those loopholes. We use those violations to challenge the court's jurisdiction and set yourself up for an appeal at the gate. You will learn how to prove the statute or code used for the foreclosure is an invalid law, which means the courts lack jurisdiction. You will learn how to help other family members or other people in your church once you complete this course. This course will provide your family an opportunity to fight for their home at an affordable price and without an attorney. The curriculum for this course will be personalizing the legal documents in the wrongful foreclosure lawsuit package and learning the strategies needed to apply those documents. This course will provide you with the tools, coaching, and group support you need to take control of your foreclosure situation today. The course is structured for each student to proceed at their own pace. And once you get the lawsuit document personalized, you can file it in federal court ASAP. You don't have to wait until you complete the course to file your lawsuit. And that is the goal for this course, is to teach you how to take control of the foreclosure situation. So you need to start by getting that title dispute filed on the record. That's the first step. This course consists of video lectures, PDFs, and legal documents for the lawsuit, coaching, and group support in our Foreclosure Rescue private Facebook group. We'll also have a couple of Zoom meetings to discuss the obstacles attorneys are tossing in your path. This course is designed to allow each student to work at their own pace, so you will be able to get the lawsuit document personalized and filed very quickly to get control of your foreclosure situation. Participation in the group discussions is optional. In this lawsuit course, we will focus on challenging the court's jurisdiction in state court and filing your lawsuit in federal court to address the attorney's misconduct. So we have a special package that we're going to be using to challenge the jurisdiction in state court because we want to open that case or get the judgment vacated or stop the sale. And we have just the package that we need to do that. We'll be addressing that first before we actually file the lawsuit in federal court. That way you can have a little more time and you don't have to be backed against the wall. We will challenge jurisdiction and not the stuff that they said you did or didn't do. And therefore, we don't need to discuss all the nuts and bolts of your case. I hope you will enjoy this class, and please leave comments in the comments section below and let me know how I can improve the course and provide more value for students. Now it's time to get to work.